Now we are going to talk about the PDF viewer image URL widget or element. Let's take that PDF viewer image. Now let's select a PDF viewer first. Let's select test magazine. Now you need to put an image URL here. Just select the image that you want to use. You can select any image from your WordPress media library or upload any image. What this will do, it will show the image, but the image will be clickable. So when someone clicks that image, the URL behind that image will be a PDF viewer. So when it's clicked, a PDF viewer will be opened in the link target of either new tab or same tab. Let's select new tab. You can put the alter text, weight, height, and alignment and CSS class. I'm keeping it as it is. Now click on Save Changes. Now you can see an image has come on. So when someone clicks that image, it's opening a PDF viewer. So isn't that great? You can attract any visitors like this. So that's how you use PDF viewer image element.